For my Sculplla fans, I am so excited. This is Gina LeClaire at Art of Skincare, and I want to show you the new packaging for the Promoter Repair Cell Cream. Now, if you've seen my videos about this cream, you have seen me kind of having a bit, although I love the product, I've had a bit of negativity about the packaging. And if you haven't seen this packaging, I'm opening up one right now so that you can see what I'm talking about here. This hunk of plastic. I'm not excited about that. That's not environmentally friendly. So Sculplla listened to us. They heard our voices and said, okay, let's try and make them a refill for that jar so that they don't have to keep buying that big plastic jar. And guess what? If you don't want to have this big plastic jar around, you can toss it, do something else with it. Maybe give it to a granddaughter. I feel like this is something that a grandchild, my granddaughter, would really love. In fact, even my grandson loves this jar. He actually opened it and started eating it one day. He's one. And I laughed and told my daughter that is the most expensive baby food that is available. So anyway, kids love this jar. You can make some kind of use out of it, but this is what I'm excited about. Now, you are going to have to spend a bit more to get this size, but essentially you're going to be getting one of these free when you buy this big size. So it's a wonderful tube, nice little cap on the bottom that you can put back on. This is just the best thing since, I don't know, apple pie for our skin. So check it out, folks. I love this new size of the Promoter Cell Repair Cream. I know you'll love it too. Have a great day.